Hello there, lovely people. What's up? And how you all are doing? So, this is KP Styles, and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I would be doing an expensive side versus an affordable side of makeup. So, yeah, I would be doing the right side of my face with all the expensive makeup and the left side of my face with all the affordable makeup. So, if you're interested in knowing this whole look, so please keep on watching. And before going into the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do follow me on Instagram. I would be providing the Insta ID on the screen and the description box. So without wasting any further time, let's get rolling. Okay, so the first thing which comes in makeup is makeup primer. So I have already moisturized my whole face. So for the affordable side, I would be using the NY Bay makeup primer, and its price is 209 rupees. And I would be adding the prices on both sides of the screen so that you may be knowing how much all the products cost. So on the on the left side, that is affordable, I am using the NY Bay makeup primer, and on the expensive side, I would be using the NYX Photo Loving primer, and its price is 1325 rupees. So I would be using both the primers on their alternate side. I have applied primer on the both sides. If I talk about the NY Bay makeup primer, it's a silicone based primer, so it's really smooth on the skin. And on the other side, if I talk about the NYX primer, so it gives you like a kind of sticky effect, but it also really helpful in making your foundation stay really long, because the more stickier the primer is, the more your foundation is likely to stay on your face, because it just sticks on all the foundation and your foundation stays for a really good time. Okay, so moving on to the foundation. For the expensive side, obviously I would be using my Bobbi Brown foundation, and my shade in it is natural. And on the affordable side, I would be using the Lakme 925 weightless mousse foundation, and my shade in it is the vanilla. And also I would be adding a little bit of Pond's BB cream in it, because this foundation do not have a lot of coverage. So I would be adding a little bit of BB cream in it so that the coverage can be balanced. Okay, so firstly I would apply foundation to the expensive side. So you do not need to take a lot of foundation because it's already really high coverage. Okay, so I've blended the other side as well. So as you can see, the coverage a little bit less than, because no marks are visible on this side, but you can see these marks on my face. So okay, the next thing we need to do is set our face. Okay, so on the expensive side, I will be using my MAC compact, and its price is 2900 rupees. So I would just be setting my face with this. And on the affordable side, I would be using the Lakme 925 Sun Expert, and its price is 220 rupees. So if I talk about the coverage of the compact, I think both of the compacts are giving me similar kind of coverage, because my face is looking quite even right now. Okay, so moving on to the blush, I do not have any blush on the expensive side, so I would be using same blush on the both sides, and I'll just come in a second. So moving on to the highlighter part. For the expensive side, I would be using this Maybelline Master Chrome, and my shade in it is Molten Gold, and its price is what's this price? And its price is 550 rupees. And if I talk about the affordable side, I will be using my Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator, and its shade is Golden Pink. So firstly, I'll apply highlighter on my expensive side, and yeah, its price is like 249 rupees. Oh my god, like this highlighter is so bomb. Can you see that? Okay, so I'll also would be applying on my nose. And little bit on my chin. It's looking so beautiful. Okay, so on the affordable side, I have to use my Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator. So I would be taking a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'll just be tapping it with the help of my fingers. Okay, so if I talk about this particular highlighter, it's really like soft pink in shade, whether this one is like golden. So obviously this one is looking much more nicer than the Swiss Beauty one. Okay, so I'll just be applying a little bit on my forehead. Okay, so if I talk about the highlighters, both of the highlighters were good. It's just that the Swiss Beauty one was a little bit, in a pinkish tone and was less pigmented, but the Maybelline one is like really amazing. Okay, so we are done with the face. Next, we'll be moving on to the brow. On to the brows. On the affordable side, I would be using this Colors Queen eyebrow pencil, and it is in the shade Brown 02, and its price was like 20 or 30 rupees. So I'll just be okay. Wait, firstly, I need to comb my brows. So it comes with a little brush as well, with the help of which you can easily comb your brows. Okay, so now I would be filling them in brows quite nicely, and this brow pencil is really amazing. You can see the difference between both of the eye looks. So on the expensive side, I would be using my Benefit Precisely brow pencil. So here it is. It is the mini one, so it does not come with a spoolie, and its price is 1240 rupees. So this is how it looks like, and it also has a brown color, like light brown shade. So I would be filling this side of my brow with this brow pencil. Okay, so both the eyebrow pencil have done a pretty decent job, so I'm liking both of my brows. So next I would be moving on to my eyes. So on the affordable side, the palette which I am using is the Swiss Beauty Hilary Rhoda. Like, it has all the bright and amazing colors, as you can see. And on the expensive side, I would be using the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. Like, it again has all the bright and popping colors. So this palette's price is 2495, and the price of Swiss Beauty palette is 249. So firstly I would be doing the left side of my eye, then it would be the right side. Firstly, I'm using an orange shade on my crease and my outer V. So next up, I would be using this dark green shade to darken my outer V, and the yellow shade on my complete eye. Because this side of eye is done, I would be doing the next eye with my Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. Okay, so like obviously the Huda Beauty palette is much more pigmented than the Swiss Beauty palette. So but still, this side of eye makeup is also looking really good. So I've just smudged out a little bit of pink shade in my lower lash line. So once I'm done with that, I'll move on to the mascara now. So on the expensive side, I would be using the Benefit Too Faced mascara, and its price is 1050 rupees. And on the affordable side, I would be using the In Color mascara, and its price is 250 rupees. So I would be using both these mascaras. Like, their packaging are quite similar and cute. Okay, so these are two coats of the Benefit mascara and the In Color mascara. Like, the Benefit one is giving much more length and volume, but you can still see the In Color is like giving a quite competition to the Benefit mascara. So you can obviously go for this one as well, because it's an amazing mascara. For the lipstick, on the expensive side, I would be using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte, and my shade in it is Bombshell. And on the affordable side, I would be using this Nykaa So Matte lipstick, and its shade is Top Thrill. So I'll just be using both the lipsticks on their alternate sides. Really want a nude color, you can just go for this lipstick. And on the next side, I would be applying the Huda Beauty lipstick. Both these lipsticks do not have exactly same color, as you can see. This one is little bit more of a peach tone, and this is more of a cool brown tone. Okay, so yeah, this is my final look. So as you can see, both the sides are looking good. It's nothing like that. If this is the expensive side, this is looking much more nicer than the affordable one. Both of the sides are looking equally good. So yeah, there's nothing like expensive makeup do a lot different than the affordable one, so you can go for both of them. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you would have liked it, and if you do not forget to give my video a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.